Good evening to everyone. How is everyone doing this evening? Well, this evening I thought that I will share 7 tips for greeting a guide dog. How do you meet a guide dog? Well, this is how you meet a working guide dog when it's working. Number 1, please don't distract me. I'm working. I have a job to do, and I must keep my owner safe. 2, please don't pet me when I am working. I have to focus. I have a big job, important job. 3, please don't call or whistle at me. 4, please try keep your pets from distracting me. I'm going to reread that. Please try to keep other pets from distracting me. 5, please never ever feed me. I am on a special diet. I can only eat what my owner gives me, and that is my kibble. 6, please always ask my owner if it's okay to pet me. I'd like to be petted, but please always ask my owner. 7, please respect my training. I go through a lot of training to be a guide dog, and I work very, very hard. Just like you guys work at school. I go to school too. And this is just a little side note here. When meeting a guide dog in a white harness with reflective markings, it is safe to assume the guide dog is in working mode. Okay? Sometimes you will see a sign on the harness handle, and it may say, please don't distract me. I'm working. This is a golden rule number 1 when meeting a working guide dog. It is important you do not distract a working guide dog, as you could be putting the safety of the blind or visually impaired person at risk. Thank you for watching my very short guide dog video. And how do you meet a guide dog? 7 tips for greeting a guide dog. Have a fabulous evening, all. If you guys would like more tips on guide dogs and you have some ideas or some suggestions, I would greatly appreciate that. You may tune into my name as Latisse.Harris, or send me a message on YouTube or Facebook, and what your suggestions are, is, and I will get them. I hope this helps you guys. Thank you so very, very much. Again, have a good evening.
Viewfinder. Focus unlocked. Take picture. Stop recording video.